This part of the video explains how to clear the pairing information. If you can't establish a successful connection between the watch and your smartphone, clear the pairing information from the watch and the CASIO Watches app. Then, pair the watch again with the smartphone as a new watch. Hold down C button for about 2 seconds to return to timekeeping mode from any other mode. Now, hold down B button for about 2 seconds to start the setting mode. Press C button 3 times, and then hold down A button for at least 2 seconds. Release the button when CLR stops flashing. This deletes the pairing information from the watch. Press B button to exit the setting mode. This part of the video is about how to clear the pairing information from the CASIO Watches app. Start the app and tap My Watches. Then, tap the watch to be removed from the list. Tap the settings and select Delete Watch Information. This action removes the pairing and deletes the watch information from the app. For more tutorial videos, please subscribe G-Shock Middle East and Africa YouTube channel, and like our videos.